fun cooking program is designed to provide hands-on experience with different cooking tools and ingredients, as well as basic food safety practices. Teachers will guide the little chefs through the steps of making simple and nutritious snacks and meals, while also encouraging creativity and teamwork. We believe that cooking is not just about making food, but also about promoting social and emotional skills. Our little chefs will learn to work together, communicate effectively, and express their creativity through food. And of course, we'll make sure that all of the food is halal and adheres to our school's Islamic values and principles. We hope that this program will spark a lifelong love of cooking and healthy eating habits in our little chefs. Thank you for choosing Kindergarten Global Islamic School.